Each day, thousands of consumer electronics are hauled into recycling warehouses, adding to a literal mountain of discarded technology. Daniel Hayes spent 11 years as an electronics engineer inside one of these facilities. From his position on the sorting line, he watched a constant stream of laptops, phones, and power tools arrive by the truckload. In the early years, the failure was obvious. He saw devices with shattered screens, corroded chips, or circuit boards scorched by electrical surges. But the waste changed. Hayes tested a pallet of pristine laptops to see why they were junked. Every machine booted up perfectly. The only failing component on the entire pallet was the battery. These devices are often mechanically perfect, yet they are discarded because we have been taught to view the battery and the machine as a single, inseparable unit. This creates a predictable cycle. You purchase a device, its battery loses the ability to hold a charge, and you discard the entire unit. This chart shows the cumulative financial impact of that behavior. Over a 10-year period, an average family will spend $8,000 replacing electronics that only suffered from battery degradation. Hayes saw the personal side of this when his daughter's favorite toy stopped working. He realized that the same failure he saw at the warehouse was now affecting his own home. This cycle ensures that a portion of every household's income is permanently earmarked for replacements, turning a simple battery into a recurring cost of living. Hayes teamed up with 2 other engineers to find a way out of this loop. They developed a series of methods to revive these power packs using basic household items rather than specialized industrial equipment. This process is most effective with automotive power. A standard car battery costs $150 to replace, even if the internal chemistry is mostly intact. Most fail because of sulfation, a buildup on the plates. By following specific steps, you can clear this and restore capacity. The same logic applies to cordless tools. Instead of paying $60 for a new pack, you can open the housing and revive the individual cells inside. Manufacturers prioritize the sale of new units over the maintenance of old ones. Because they don't provide these instructions, most owners assume their devices are dead when the battery fades. These methods work across a wide range of household tech, from the lithium-ion packs in laptop computers to the rechargeable cells in handheld vacuums. The data from users shows these small fixes scale. One family reported saving $1,200 in a year simply by maintaining the batteries in their vehicles and home electronics. For some, the value isn't just financial. One user revived a dead tablet battery specifically to recover years of family photos that were trapped on the internal storage. Knowing how to maintain these power cells changes your relationship with your technology. You become an owner who can perform maintenance rather than a consumer who can only buy a replacement. The skills used to revive a lawnmower or a car are the same ones needed to maintain critical systems. This knowledge is most important when a battery is the only thing keeping a home running during a grid failure. A standard backup power unit relies on the same battery chemistry found in vehicles. If it fails during a blackout, it's usually because the cell degraded from sitting idle. Knowing how to jumpstart these internal components provides security a simple replacement cannot offer. True security requires the knowledge to keep your own equipment operational. When you can maintain your own power source, you aren't reliant on a store being open during a crisis. Hayes distilled his engineering experience into a manual called the Easy Battery Fix. It is designed to be followed by anyone, regardless of their technical background. The guide is available for a one-time payment of $49, significantly less than the cost of a single new car or laptop battery. You can access these methods right now, but this portal may not stay online indefinitely, given the pressure from the industries it bypasses. Choosing to fix your own batteries is a practical step toward ending the cycle of constant replacement. Click the link below to take control of your tools and keep your electronics running.